Sir, my name is Fang Jun, and we are from Group 4. The product that we produce is called Automated Cabin Trolley. Throughout this journey, our team have been working very hard to achieve our goal. Now I would like to introduce to you our team. Once again, my name is Fang Jun, and I am the team leader. Next, we have Darwish, Abdulmajid, Rio, Danish, and also Angela. In total, we have carried out 5 meetings in total. Our first ever meeting was on 12th of April, where we brainstormed for ideas. On 21st of April, we discussed on our objective trees and our PDS. For the third meeting, each of the team members took turns to present their individual drawings, and evaluation and final ideas was made after the meeting. After that, we continue with dimensioning of our trolley, and we move on to SolidWorks for 3D models. Lastly, we discuss on our final task, which is PowerPoint and also presentation.
According to the National Transportation Safety Board, turbulence has become the most common airline accident type today. So we have came up with this product design, which is the automated cabin trolley. This is to reduce the turbulence-related injuries and also the welfare of onboard passengers and crews. From 1980 to 2008, US air carriers encountered 234 turbulence accidents cases. Inside, there were 298 serious injuries and 3 fatalities. Among the 298 serious injuries, 184 were flight attendants and 114 involved passengers. So from this data, we can see that flight attendants are more prone to get injured due to turbulence compared to passengers, 24 times more likely to have serious injury to be exact. Hence, our group came up with this automated cabin trolley to minimize the damage brought by turbulence. So basically, our product will be able to transport food and beverages to onboard passengers from point A to point B. It is designed to be applicable for both wide and narrow body aircraft. Initially, the trolley will be resting at its charging port. When called upon, it will move to the designated location. After the passenger is done retrieving the item, the trolley will return to its charging port automatically. At the same time, the cabin trolley will roam around the aircraft with an interval of 10 minutes. This product should be a hands-free item, and its construction should be a simple and rigid, giving comfortable, convenient, and safe environment to the passengers and crews. Besides that, our product can also reduce the manpower needed on board.
As for our product design specifications, in terms of performance, our product will transport food from seat to seat, and it is fully autonomous. Our product will run with a time interval of 10 minutes, and it is equipped with high intelligence, which is artificial intelligence as well as machine learning. It contains high capacity and rechargeable battery, and also our product is wireless. The product has a top speed of 0.08 km per hour and contains huge storage areas for foods and is able to preserve food for a long and short period of times. In terms of potential customers, we have opted our national airline carrier, which is Malaysia Airlines, alongside with our famous low-cost budget airline, which is Asia. And if we want to step up our games in the next few years, we are also opting for international airline companies that is a member of One World Alliance. As for the testing, our product will go through several tests, and the test is actually to determine the load capability and is to prove our product that it will not rust. Our product will also testing on heat insulation as well as the toughness. And lastly, our product will test on the maximum weight that product can support. And as for the standards, here are the standards that we have listed based on the International Civil Aviation Organization, ICAO, as well as Malaysian standard ISO.
Hello everyone, my name is Abdulmajid. Today we're gonna talking about function block. As we can see, our project entails a plane trolley. A plane trolley system was proposed to survey food and drinks for customers during their flight, while ensuring a high level of safety in case of uncertain occurrences during the flight. Our system is also designed to a high aesthetic value and it incorporates easy to operate procedures as we will discuss. At the start of the cycle, the trolley is docked at the charging galley where at the charging wireless used to charge it to enough power to steer it around the whole cycle. At the charging galley, the trolley is backed with the specific customer orders ready to service. The trolley then moves through an automated rail system to the passengers for surveying. The trolley has grooved wheels which help in keeping it on the rail track and also boasts an emergency brake system for it to be able to spot swiftly and precisely at the each passenger's seat. The passengers then pays for their order by scanning their payment on the on the screen on the scanner display on the trolley. After payment, the passengers receive their food and the trolley moves to the next service point. After charging all the orders on board, the trolley moves back to the charging galley, where it's charged more orders are loaded in it. The cycle completes and another service period starts. That's all for function block. Thank you everyone.
We will go deeper about our products. I will explain how our automatic cabin trolley works. So basically, it will serve foods and beverages to the passengers and collecting rubbish. We also provide a cashless payment by scanning a QR code. So our automatic cabin trolley has a push and stop button on the body compartment, so which people are able to control it from moving. So besides that, we also applied a sensor which it will stop automatically when it sends an object in front of it. So since we are at higher latitude and longitude, right, we also put a braking system on the trolley from moving during heavy turbulence. So basically it's like passengers safety is our responsibility. Next we move how does the trolley moves, right? So the trolley move forward because the wheels under the floor will revolve. The Arduino, which we can see on this in the slides, will controlling the wheels movement. So people might be wondering like how does the braking system works. So basically it consists of brake, spring and solenoid. So the gyro sensor will detect sudden movement in the severe turbulence. So because the solenoid is triggered, the brakes are forced down, trapping the wheels between the brakes shown in the video below. Gaining back stability will bring the solenoid back to its original location. So the spring loaded, braking mechanism may be disengaged and the wheels can once again move freely. Next, we move to the individual concept. So basically, these are the individuals concept ideas that every group members did. So everyone gave all their thoughts and ideas to improve the trolley. So we as a team develop will can develop a good automatic cabin trolley. So that's all from me. I will pass to Fang Jun. Thank you.
For final concept drawing, we have prepared multiple drawings to present our ideas. That includes assembly, explanatory, explorative, and also supporting drawings. From assembly drawings, we are able to transition our ideas into graphical presentation, show the overall shapes and design of the trolley and a more effective way for others to understand. In explanatory drawing, it mostly describes all the components functions, the materials we use, and last but not least, the characteristics that we set. Next is our exploded drawing. This drawing clearly shows the entire layout of our of every components from the smallest component to the largest main body. You could also find our bill of materials too. Apart from the three main drawings, we created another two supporting drawings that describe more detail regarding the working mechanism of our trolley. In the first supporting drawing, it explained about the position and access method for the trash can. As you can see, our trash can will be positioned in the middle of the main body with hinges to cover the actual trash can. The next supporting document gives the viewer a more in-depth explanation regarding our emergency braking system. From the diagram, when the brakes is not engaged, it will rest on its default position. When the gyro sensor / shock sensor sense turbulence, the brakes will be pushed downward, making contact with the wheels and bringing it to a stop within a short period of time. After having our final concept drawing, we are able to produce several 3D models, bringing us closer to produce an actual product. With the 3D model, we produce several animations such as the exploded view and also the motion study for the braking system. To make our product more convincing and realistic, we have created multiple 3D renderings in KeyShot. Here's all the 3D renderings that we did. We have the cabin situated in different locations, such as alleyway, taxiway, airport, and on a commercial aircraft.
Before we end our amazing presentation about our product, let me rewind back through our hard work and perseverance. Every path that we took led us to numerous problems and also lessons that we can learn to improve ourselves in the near future. After so many hard effort in producing concepts, extensive studyings and also ups and downs, we can now proudly introduce to you to the world's first ever automated cabin trolley, which will address several problems faced by airlines company with characteristics that will replace humans in performing the same tasks. We wish to eliminate human mistakes and help to lessen the possibility of human casualties as a result of flight incidents. COVID-19 have changed the norm of our society. Due to the COVID-19 restriction, we have to do online classes and also examination. And also we cannot meet our friend face to face. It causing us many problems, especially when we have to face with miscalculation or misjudgment of our component that led us to the failure of combining or assembling the component together. Aside from that, the employment of advanced technology is very restricted. Only 2 or 3 team members have the high-end PC or laptop that can run heavy software such as KeyShot and also SolidWorks. These 2 pieces of software are critical in taking our product from concept to reality. Not just that, we also have to face with complex schedule. As a university students, we all have to attend a lot of classes and also study for other subjects. It doesn't mean that this course is not important, but we want to have a balanced study time for other subjects as well. We learn about the importance of both hard skills and soft skills. It is necessary for us students to improve our value for the future when we are graduated. While hard skills come as a result of education or technical training, soft skills come as a result of life experience. Seeking feedback is a certain skill that everyone should have. We as a human, we are not perfect and we still do mistakes day in and also day out. Therefore, it is a good thing to listen to other people's opinion about our progress. Last but not least, a good time management will save your day. We do mentioning about our complex schedule that we have. Therefore, having a good and clear time management is an essential thing for students. It not just teach us to be disciplined, but it also teach us how to adapt to changes. Before we conclude, we want to thank our professor, Mr. Hairul, for guiding us throughout the process of making our dream a reality, as well as our calling for working non-stop to achieve this mission. As a result, thanks for watching and stay safe everyone.